Motorola has just introduced its new Moto G04. This is an entry-level device, but it has 8 GB of RAM, so it has attractive points just like many other devices. This has been officially unveiled for the first time in India and is expected to launch in other regions very soon. It is 7.99mm thick, and on the back cover we see a nice design with a camera module that has a slight embossing that Samsung used on the Galaxy A53. It has a weight of 178.8 grams. Its screen is 6.5 inches and it's an LCD panel with HD Plus resolution, so the screen definitely confirms to us that it is an entry-range device. The refresh rate of this screen is 90 Hz, so it's not the most basic. It has more refresh rate than the iPhone 15. It comes with a side fingerprint reader and its processor is the Unisoc T606. The battery is 5000 milliamps with support for 15-watt charging, and on the front it has 5-megapixel camera. While for the back we will find a 16-megapixel camera and the other one is just for decoration. It comes with Android 14 out of the box, and although it has not been guaranteed another Android update, it has been guaranteed 2 years of security patches. It supports Quad G networks, comes with a headphone jack. Also, like all Motorola phones, it comes with stereo sound and Dolby Atmos. The base edition has 4 GB of RAM with 64 GB of storage, but the top edition comes with 8 GB of RAM and 128 GB of storage. The latter edition is priced at 7,999 rupees. That's approximately $96. And on screen you're seeing the reference price in other currencies. Just to give you an idea, but remember that the prices here are not the same as over there. This device is expected to be introduced soon in more regions.